In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradeovate to Tradingview. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Tradeovate, then you want to go to the top right and select over here where it says settings. Then go ahead and press on this option that does say add-ons. And basically all you need to do is you need to go ahead and buy the Tradingview extension right over here, and this will basically allow you to use Tradingview in order to access your Tradeovate account. Now, unfortunately, it sucks that you do have to pay for it, and if you're doing trading seriously, then this could definitely be worth it. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and purchased this, then you want to go to Tradingview. All right, guys, so here we are in Tradingview, and in order to go ahead and create Tradeovate, all you want to do is you want to go over here to this bottom menu, and you want to select on Trading Panel, and then it is going to bring you a menu. It will say connect through our trusted brokers, and you should see Tradeovate right over here. So all you want to do is you want to select on Tradeovate like so, and then you guys have the option to either use the live or the demo version. So all you need to do is enter in your Tradeovate username and password, and the same thing with the demo. And once you went ahead and got that done, then you can go ahead and press on connect, and then you should be able to connect both Tradeovate and Tradingview together to make faster trades and in order to optimize your workflow. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.